Hi friends! Well, we are going to have a lot of fun. This is a very special class and honestly, I would recommend it to everyone. It doesn't matter what color furry baby do you have. Is it white or black or beige or maybe mixed colors? The most important is that in this class you're going to learn the secrets. It took me almost a decade to learn. So I'm going to be talking about white and lighter color pets. Also black and darker color pets, which could be dark brown or dark gray. And I'm going to be talking about how do you take pictures if you have a couple of furry kids. I mean, let's say one of your babies is white and the next one is probably brown, and then you have black and white, and maybe you have a gray. And what happens is when you take the pictures, some of your furry babies are very bright and the other ones are a little darker, and then you are like, oh my gosh, why my pictures don't look consistent? And how I can, first of all, take the picture and how I can edit the picture. And this is what in this class you're going to learn. How to take the pictures, how to edit them individually for different colors of furry kids, and then when you take pictures of a few furry kids, how you can overcome some of the technical challenges. So this is going to be hands-on class. It's really amazing, but it's going to change your life. So please scroll down, sign up, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.